Drafts or air leaks around windows can seriously mess with your home's comfort and skyrocket your energy bills if you don't fix them fast. Okay, so first up, weather stripping is like your window's best friend. You just peel and stick it around the edges to block those sneaky drafts. Then, grab some caulk to seal any cracks or gaps you spot. Make sure you clean and dry the area before applying so it sticks properly. If your windows are old, putting in storm windows can add an extra layer of protection and keep that cold air out. Don't forget to check the window locks and make sure they're tight because loose locks can leave tiny gaps. Also, consider adding thermal curtains. They help trap heat inside during winter. Regularly inspecting your windows is clutch because catching leaks early saves you big bucks later, and seriously, don't overlook the bottom of the window frame. That's a common leak spot that's easy to miss. One of the biggest problems with drafts or air leaks around windows is ignoring small gaps that seem harmless but add up over time. Fix that by doing a thorough check and sealing every crack with quality caulk. Another issue is using the wrong kind of weather stripping, which just peels off and wastes your money. Make sure you get the right type for your window style. Lastly, a lot of people forget to maintain their storm windows or don't install them properly, which means they don't do much good. Keep them clean and ensure they fit snugly to actually block drafts. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know how to handle window sealing and repairs without any hassle. Plus, it's a great spot for contractors looking to find steady work and connect with folks who really need their skills.